Yabona kuthini before ngikhuluma ukuthi ku-MMR2 asengikhulume ngebambatali ne. So mawami Mpoli Ngabiyela usuka lineage yobukhosi bakabiyela eNkandla, and then ke washadela kaNkosi ebukhosini to my father the late Chief BC Nkosi. Bekathanda kakhulu imfundo ke lo muntu lona lomdzala, so ngithethe kubo lendzaba yekuthanda abantu. So mina i-first born yami uPrince Nhlakanipho Khoza, hip hop artist leyatiwa kokela eMbombela nase South Africa, even overseas. Stage name sakhe Pressure, that is my first born.
Oh yes.
Don Pressure.
Don Pressure.
We thought he's just picking. It's like no Magwamilo, but he was just, you know, as a sign of respect, you know, maybe from church or, you know, my auntie's mother.